Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know on this channel I share a lot of non-phone positions because I know that's what a lot of you are after, but I have seen quite a few people that are looking for customer service. I've also seen people mention in the comments before that whether they're interested in customer service positions or not depends on the pay. If the pay is high enough, they wouldn't mind customer service. So that got me thinking, please let me know down in the comments below if there is a pay range, like if it's on the low end, like $15-16 an hour, you're not interested. But if it's on the higher end, like even $1,000 a week, that's $4,000 a month, and then $5,000 on the months that have like 5 weeks in a month. If there is a pay gap where you would consider customer service, let me know down in the comments below. But today's job lead is from the company Yimbo. This is an AI or artificial intelligence company. Now, they only have 25 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a long-standing history with the Flex Jobs website as well. They've had multiple different jobs like engineering and higher tech jobs posted months ago on the Flex Jobs website. So I feel pretty confident that this is a very legit company, not posting a lot of like scam positions or anything like that. They have an overall rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, and they are looking for a customer support representative. This is going to be remote for the United States. It is a Monday through Friday full-time job. They're looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. Of course, if you're interested in putting the application in, this page is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for setup and ongoing support, maintaining the accuracy of their enterprise accounts. So your day-to-day support is going to be working through things like the phone, email, and text through their platform, just helping their clients use and teaching them how to use the Yimbo products. And you'll also help build training guides outside of your customer service duties, just so that you can provide that service of teaching people how to use the products. You'll uncover adoption blockers for their customers, so things that are blocking the customers from being able to get the most out of the platform. You'll help them get through that, and you'll help debug any customer tech issues and clearly communicate your findings up to the engineering teams. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just somebody who has great communication skills, high attention to detail, somebody who is great with their time management. You do have to be skilled with using a different software like G Suite, Google Suite, and CRM software like Salesforce, or some kind of project management tools like Jira. Of course, you've got to have great references to give them and the ability to work those regular US business hours. But pay for this position for a customer service job is very high. Pay is anywhere from $42,000 a year all the way up to $52,000 a year, bringing that weekly pay anywhere from $800 a week up to $1,000 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.